Chili.
Right, my dog Chili Dog. He's a
So you
dog,
snip-
so I call him Chili Dog. And,
On the Dr. Phil
right,
show, you give
I
a
dropped
story
some
about you
cocaine on his
sniffing
bag.
cocaine off of a dog. Your buddy who?
My buddy JoJo Stormcloud, Native American Indian, Chickasaw. I dropped some cocaine on his bag. I was forced to do the entire rail with my buddy JoJo Stormcloud. I dropped some cocaine on his bag.
It's Chili.
Chili. He's a
So you
dog,
snip-
so I call him Chili Dog. And, I dropped some cocaine on his bag. Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. This is not a telethon. We don't need to tell each other anything.
So, on the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
The dog's name is Chili, sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
So,